see, this is the mawlynrei wala. So we'll go to the kyndon. We'll show you full
mawlynrei falls.
Look at that man, very beautiful. So I am here exactly. I will show you pick your video like a prank, then I will show you. So I had some music, some over music not here too. So look at that thing
View.
like there.
View.
Yeah, look at that view. So look at this guys, very beautiful. If you go here, look at the luti wala, very quiet, very jinger. As look at this very style and very quiet surok wala here too. Hoy. So this is the place to see achtai support. Yeah. The slab is that right now. We have to mare pass. Look at this luti, very quick, very near door this luti what I know. So I have to mare smart because the slab is that right now. So I have to mare it. So this is the luti we have to cap this place. So look at this place, very pengat, very. So this is the place. This the dengsa, this the luti. I am hun. Sini. Ni this is the Jaka Villa. You know, look at this. We have to struggle just for the waterfall. Ni klun ay wamboy kalam. So gani luti you pia kami go rajot na go. Yes. Okay, like de ban like sini day. Nice. And you see, we are siap this plang wala. We are siap this plang wala. So look at this guy. Chaklu ni. Ini na chaklu go at waterfall auto chapok. So you see, this is the tirwalai. I don't know what are you calling. So this is the tirwalai. So we're almost there. Look at this place, very press. Say, बहुत सुंदर है the view. So कम से कम the रास्ता वाला है बहुत थक गया है तुला है. So look at this. ये आपको थक गया है? Oh, आपको थक गया है. So come here. So this is she's थक गया है. So look at this area, very more. Yeah. And then if you are free, please you are there तो ये बहुत सुंदर है. सुकून में लगा है आपको ये दिन वाला है. So आपको क्या बनाए करो प्रैक्टिस मैराथन तो कम यार दलतू वाला है बहुत अच्छा है सुकून में लगा है तो सुंदर ट्रीज वाला है. अभी तो स्टेप से चलूंगी तो फिर वाटरफॉल पच जाऊंगी. So she teach me to talk in Hindi little bit. So I see some. Okay, too much. Teach me to talk Hindi too much. So now I'm gonna crong this den. You see this? This is the den. This is what I like, man. But I'm cute. I like this. Annie, I like this. You saw na. You hold my camera here.
You Manchri?
Yes.
You go.
Come here. Come here.
Mobile.
So,
You Manchri?
Yes, I want to Manchri here little bit.
Tu dan struggle siapa? Dia dan get chri.
Ano Manchri?
Hoy, labian tu nani siya. Yo, pinky piece ngan sundan. Lareu. Kashri. Hey, monkey. We caught the mawlynrei monkey.
So yeah, ये बहुत सुकून है यार. बहुत अच्छा है ये this place वाला है. So if you come here ना, the place looks very अच्छा है. So कम से कम there look ना. When you come here, relax करो. आपका दिमाग fresh है. तो अभी मैं जाऊँ करूँगी तो जरा waterfall है. रुको आपको
Panik awas aray.
Yeah, video to rawai ko cuma so I'm gonna hear it.
Stop na.
Huh? I'm bring lagi makan hear no.
Here no.
Yes. Now I'm gonna hear. Gampang nih si parahat. So now after this we're gonna nala support ya. Ani this place you have to jump this place. Ani you have to jump this place you see. But at the same time very beautiful. Yeah. But at the same time very beautiful man. Struggle. So we are here finally in the waterfall. I'm gonna show you. Come on. Wow. So now I'm gonna show you. This is the water finally. Now I'm gonna go with Hajan. I'm gonna show you. This is, I love it, unexpected, yeah. I have to marek, you know. Very excited. Actually, I am very excited. So now I'm gonna lie it here. I'm gonna continue you there how it looks. Ani dan beri dah separuh. There it is. So, ngan susandur ni. So I'm gonna lodge my sleeper to chong here, you know. This is the water, man. Look at that. Wow, man, look at that. Wow. Wow, man, wow. Look at that, wow. And now we're gonna light up because we want to use full of waterfalls. So finally, jaga walai na jom chapa. I'm finished to from na jom chapa. So here look this. Yeah, look at this. I just want to climb here. This is the place. Kita ajar ini mawlynrei. If you are selang to come visit this place. So ni chapa lai kerugi go. Let's see chapa dia em. So look at that. Very neat. Very neat. I can't believe this. Look at this, man. Look at this. What a view है ये बहुत view है. Yes, ayo pengen Ani nilai belum berusu. So yeah. Yahoo! Because I am very glad, that's why I am so proud to krung to hear this riat, you know. Look at this. Yeah. So this is the waterfall I want to show you. Look at this. Yeah. Yang Chloe. Jandu rengas lah. Hai. 1, 2, 3. Lihat. Oi. Bahubali. Masih ada kita udah. Udah. And now we are done. We are Liwan right now. Very kejam. बहुत ठंडा है यार. बहुत ठंडा है. ये बहुत ठंडा पानी है. ये बहुत ठंडा है. सुंदर है अभी at the same time. So बहुत ठंडा है guys. We are going to Ghor right now. So I have to talk long hair because you can't hear me if I climb. Jai. That's why. The camera is whole, but you're not whole, bro. Look at that. There is side there. I finished to swim. I look little bit sundar yaar. I'm sundar. Because I'm finished to swim. My mention is meant to talk. And my face also is shine right now. Even if I'm black, so I think I'm properly pretty now a little bit. सुंदर है अच्छा, little bit अच्छा है. ये जगह वाला है बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत अच्छा है. और मैं snack थे नहीं सिर्फ because I am ठंडा, I am kejam. That's why. ये लड़. I am ठंडा है. I am ठंडा है. कहाँ है वो लड़का वाला है? So finally we are meet Ramadan right now. It's very kejam. I can feel my sneak in his throne right now because very jam. Now we are finally meet Surak Tadeliwani. I am very cheat. So look at this the guy very so their face very tight. Pini muscle. Likula ani. Mala muscle ru ani. So finally ni na he jong anak switch. So now we are searching the luti wala and look at this guy very big. Hey my friend, very big. Hey, he's so cute man. We are searching the luti wala we are from the past time to go here. Obviously we are have to go luti na. Hana? Yeah. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Run back situ. So now I'm finished to Talung. I feel my Japanese is like muay right now. I'm finished to Talung the roti. You see this roti? Yeah, that's it, bro. This place very kenjak, man. This is mawlynrei. So look at this flower. For my big fan to you. This is for my big fan too. So this place very feel press. I'm very tired because I am Talun, that's why. So I put this into my head. I never put flower into my head. I put it into my head, bro. Look at that, how I look. How I look?
Beautiful.
I look beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put it into my head. And this one is, I can't put it anywhere. I put it here. It's my scroll, yeah. It's again, look at that, yeah. Very pressed this jaga, like. Very pressed, bro. Yep.
Oh.
I am late right now. I am late because I am finished to the waterfall. That's why I am late. Feel like I'm a little bit late. That's why. Yeah. So the video yung ikat to its end. So I hope you guys will like my video. I'll see you on the next video. So many video I'll put me. So if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to a ting. So that's it, bro. Now the video is end. It's end. We'll see you in the next video. Ma, thank you very much.
Me also.
You also.
Oh yes, we also.
You also.